Hi guys, this is Ramchandra. Welcome to my YouTube channel Java Techniques. In this video, I'm going to discuss one more important logical program for freshers, that is how to find out Fibonacci series up to some given number. So this is a very important program for freshers to crack the interviews. So please watch this video completely and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Chalo, let's start our discussion. So, what is a Fibonacci series? Very simple. The series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. So, what is the meaning here is, for example, I have two numbers like 2 and 3. The next number is sum of these two numbers, nothing but 5. And the next number is sum of two preceding numbers, nothing but 3 and 5, 8. The next number in the series is sum of preceding two numbers, that is 13. So this is what exactly we are calling as Fibonacci series. Then how to write the logic? Then how to write the logic in Java to develop Fibonacci series? Very simple. First, we are taking two inputs. First, we are taking two inputs. Okay. After that, up to how many numbers the series we have to continue, that input also we are going to read. So three inputs we are going to read. After that, after that, we are adding of two preceding numbers. First, 2 plus 3 we are going to add. Then we will get the result like 5. Later, 3 plus 5 we are going to add. Then you will get the result like 8. After that, we are going to add 5 plus 8. Then you will get the result like 13. So like that, we are going to continue this process up to some series. Okay, chalo, how to write the program on top of this concept. So carefully observe, guys. So to read the data dynamically from the keyboard in Java, we always prefer one predefined object, that is scanner class. Scanner equal to system dot in. System dot in. Now you remember like here I'm going to provide some user friendly messages, that is enter first number in the series. Yes, let me take that is fn. Fn, or simply in our terminology I1. So here scanner next int, scanner dot next int. After that, enter second number in the series. Enter second number in the series. Now I'm going to store that second number in the I2. Here enter a number, enter a number to print a series, and a number to print series. That means how many numbers do you want to print in the series? That is the number we have to enter here. Let me take this is what I3. Now to add last two preceding numbers purpose, I'm taking one variable like sum. Here I'm taking variable value is 0. Now first I want to print series like this. System.out.print I1 value. System.out.print I1 value, whatever the number we are giving at starting, that value will print. After that, I required some space. For that purpose, I'm giving like this. After that, I'm going to print. After that, I'm going to print I2 value. Okay. Now, for example, end user enter like 2 and 3. So it will print 2 space 3. Here I'm not using ln. Here I'm using only print. Nothing but output will be displayed in the same line. Now, next one is for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to I3. Up to how many numbers are you going to print this series? I less than equal to 3, after that I plus plus. After that I plus plus. Now, observe guys, first what we have to do, sum of first two numbers, I1 plus I2. This sum I'm storing into one variable, that is sum. Now I1, according to our example, I1 value is 2, I2 value is 3. For example, we enter like 2 here, and I2 value is 3, I1 value 2, I2 value 3. So 2 plus 3, up to how many numbers I want to print? 5 numbers. Okay, 2 plus 3, 5. Initially some value is 0, now it will become a 5. Now what should I do? 3 value we should store into the 2, and some value we should store into the 3. 2 value, I1 equal to I2, okay, and I2 equal to sum. If you're writing this logic, what happen? Observe. Now I2 value, what is I2 value? 3. 3 we are storing in the I1, and sum is 5. 5 we are storing into the I2. Okay. Now I plus plus, nothing but 1. 1 less than, already 1 is there. Now I plus plus means 2. 2 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Yes means what? Again body will be executing. What is the number I1? 3. 3. And I2 is 5. 3 plus 5? 8. Sum replaced with 8. After that, I2 value I am placed in the I1. I2 value is how much? 5. Sum value is how much? 8. That I am stored into I2. After that, we are going to add these two numbers. That is what? 13. Like that, this process we are going to continue up to 5 numbers. Up to 5 numbers means whatever the number you given earlier. And after storing that value, what I need to do, I'm going to print that value, sum. That's enough. Yeah. This is the logic to find out Fibonacci series in Java. Let's execute this program and enter like initially 0 and 1. Yes, let me executing one more time. 0 is the first number, 1 is the second number. Up to how many numbers I want to print series in Java. Let's execute this program and enter like initially 0 and 1. Yes, let me executing one more time. 0 is the first number, 1 is the second number. Up to how many numbers I want to print? 6 numbers. See, 0 is the first number and 1 is the second number. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8, like this. How many numbers I printed? Yeah, 6 numbers. You enter like 6? Yes. According to whatever the discussion we had in the program, let's execute that. Initial value is I1 value 2, I, I2 value 3. Up to how many numbers I want to print? 5 numbers. So 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. So like this, we can able to find a Fibonacci series in Java. I hope you understand this logic. Please do subscribe, comment, and like and share, and don't forget to click on bell icon. And if you want any other programming, other logical program, please mention the logical program name in my comment section. I will upload a new video for you. Thank you guys.